Hello, welcome to Grace Kitchen. Welcome. It's not over until God says so. Yeah, we are cooking hard-boiled chicken. Yeah, the hard-boiled chicken, I already seasoned it with the lemon and salt. Yeah, I will let it boil. I will let it to cook, let it to bring its own sauce. Then we will put water, because the hard chicken have to put like a 1 liter of water. Then we'll start cooking. Let me show the ingredients we are cooking with. We have here green pepper, crisp or fried onions. Yeah, it's why I like to caramelize my onions. Very, very nice, this onion. Yeah. Even the smell, the caramel. Oh, we have fresh garlic, scotch bonnet, ginger, lemon, green onions, tomato, basil or celery from my garden, garlic powder, pepper, black pepper, white pepper, this is I forgot, tomato puree, sea salt, olive oil. Yeah, we are cooking with it. But my chicken, you will ask yourself, how come Coco Grace, the chicken is so big? Yeah, I don't know. My husband bought it to the shop this morning. He said he bought to the butcher, and the butcher says nice chicken. Normally my butcher, let me start cooking. I'm not putting water, let it bring its own water. Then we'll put 1 liter of water, because it's hard boiled chicken has to be boiled a little bit for longer. My butcher most of the time is sell like a product from France and British meats. But I don't know which is from France or British one, but it's my first time to see big chicken like that. And this one is not the whole chicken, it's half of it. Was so big, even I put the rest in the fridge. Like the quantity I'm cooking is the quantity I'm saving in the freezer. This is my first time maybe to see it and even to cook it. Let us cook together, then I'll tell you how it tastes like. Yeah, thank you. So come back. Yeah, see the piece, I cut it in two because they're too big. I was thinking, how can I cook how I will serve them in the plate for us to eat. It's like them two is 1 leg. I cut them in two. I divide some pieces already. I divide them in two. I'm not frying. I didn't put water. We'll fry it after, but now I will have to put water. I was just cooking in this one water. Now we're adding 1 liter of water or more. I'll see how it is. But I can feel like the skin is too thick. It's my first time cooking this chicken. Maybe I'll go and ask the butcher. I have the other half of chicken left. I have to go and inquire myself to the butcher, and they ask some question, where it come from, why it's so big, what is the rest of this chicken, because there's a lot of chicken. It's like North America as well. I've seen a different kind of chicken, and I'll ask where it's from. Because so big I never see, and it's so heavy. 1 chicken 9 pounds. It's okay for 9 pounds or 10 pounds because it was so heavy and so big. Imagine this is half of chicken. It's like a turkey, half of chicken. Hey, okay, let us continue cooking. Today I'm not using fresh onion. I'm using this one. This onion you're gonna find it in the supermarket. Most of the time in like an Asian shop, you can find them big bag. Like Asian shop, like India, from Asia, look, Asia, Filipino, Chinese, all they call them the Asian because from Asia, but the one I'm talking about from, especially from India, you find them shops. But this was a supermarket, it's no more as well. Yeah. Very, very good onions. Thank you. Our chicken now, 1 hour for 1 hour. Yeah. I can see that it's soft now because the fork now penetrates the skin. Before wasn't. Yeah, it's fine now. Now I have to drain, and I'll keep the sauce. I'm draining, then I'll fry this one. I'll fry the chicken. Fry it a little bit, like fry it or brown it. To brown it a little bit. Then we'll start cooking, adding tomato and everything. First we have to brown our chicken. Thank you. Let me finish. Yeah. And when I remove the sauce, I have to sieve it properly to remove all them small dirty, like it was a blood or something. Yeah. Thank you. I will sieve it. Yeah. That's, yeah, we are finished browning our chicken. Now I have to remove the chicken. Cut up. Yeah. Sorry. Remove the chicken. Same pan, you have to put, sorry for the noise, consider some work inside my house, sorry. Because they started late. I wanted to cook before them come, but they came late. I was in the middle of cooking, I can't stop them. I can't stop either. These are garlic and ginger. Garlic and ginger. I'm putting them now before I'm putting the garlic because my onions are caramel already. Already caramel, you can't fry them. Already fried. I bought them already fried, I can show you. Now we are cooking just, yes, right. We are cooking our onions, ginger, garlic. Then we'll put tomato. And the tomato I'm already mixed it with I blend it with the fresh puree. Instead of me cooking first, normally I do cook first the tomato, the fresh one. When the water evaporates, then I'll put the puree. Now it's like a shortcut, quick. Yeah. Thank you. When it's ready, then we'll put the chicken together and the pepper and everything. Thank you. Yeah. Our tomato is ready. Let us now put our meat. First I'll put the dry seasoning. Mix, then the meat. some coriander, some celery, and the rest of this. I'll divide some of them. I'll put it when the meat, as I would say, the meat. Yes, the meat. Chicken meat. Yes. When the meat is ready, green onions. Yeah, I left some green onions and some celery. But the scotch bonnet is going on in. And we have our lemon. I'll put it after. This is our onions. Yeah, caramel onions, already fried. In Africa, we used to fry them, then you put them to the sun to dry. But the bad of it, sometimes when it's windy, yeah, a bit too with the American sand, the sand will go in. Yeah, it's not good when you're biting, when you're eating something you put in it, because you'll be plenty of sand because of wind. Was the best way to dry it when there's no wind. But now here we have that fried once. Oh, it's too much work. It's easy to me to buy in the shop than eat myself anyway. Okay, our broth, we boil the chicken, and I'll add some water. It's not enough. Yeah. I'll add, and we'll leave it to cook. When it's closer to finish, then I'll put my pepper, green pepper. I like my green pepper a little bit crunchy when I'm eating something. Yeah. And the lemon juice as well. I'll put it after. Normally our chicken is okay now. Just let it cook. Let it mix the tomato and let our meat coat the tomato and every seasoning we put in it. Yeah, that's it. Normally we have only like a 10 or 15 minutes to serve. Thank you very much. Come back. Now we want to put our second, the pepper, green pepper, celery and green onion. This will stay just 5 minutes and finito. We'll finish. And our lemon. Yeah. Normally to cook our pepper, green pepper, just so they heat a little bit, just 5 minutes. Let's leave it just 5 minutes. Yeah, not too much. Thank you. Our dish is ready. Now we want to serve. Let us serve. Let us serve. I took a little bit of big plate because we have a chunky. Very nice. Oh, this is half chicken. That's half chicken. You can see how big it is. It look nice though. If it, the taste of the sauce, everything. Finito, finito, finito. Hello, welcome. Ta-da! This is it. This is our sauce, our chicken. Look at it. Closer, closer. Look at the sauce. Wow. Wow. Very nice. Yeah. Please like, share, subscribe. Tell me how you cook yours. This is how I cook my hot chicken with some pesto sauce. That's it. Simple but very tasty. Thank you very much. Please like, share, subscribe. Tell me how you cook yours. Comment. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Je vous aime beaucoup. Je vous love beaucoup. Na vous amo muito. Na me penda sana. Na lingi bino mingi. Thank you. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.